Double-hung windows are a timeless and practical choice for homes in Orangeburg, offering ventilation, easy cleaning, and classic style. However, maintaining these windows is essential to ensure they perform well in Orangeburg's unique climate, which features hot summers, occasional heavy rains, and humid conditions. Regular care not only extends the lifespan of your windows but also keeps your home energy efficient and comfortable. Here's a comprehensive guide to maintaining your double-hung windows in Orangeburg's climate. Regular cleaning for clearer views. Dust, pollen, and grime can accumulate on your windows over time, especially during Orangeburg's high pollen seasons and humid summer months. Cleaning your windows regularly prevents buildup that can affect their appearance and functionality. Cleaning glass. Use a glass cleaner or a solution of water and vinegar to clean the panes. Wipe with a microfiber cloth to avoid streaks. Cleaning frames. For vinyl or fiberglass frames, use a mild soap and water solution. Avoid abrasive cleaners that could damage the finish. For wooden frames, use a damp cloth and ensure they dry completely to prevent moisture damage. Cleaning tracks. Use a vacuum or a small brush to remove debris from the tracks where the sashes slide. Keeping the tracks clean ensures smooth operation and reduces wear on the hardware. Inspect and seal for energy efficiency. Orangeburg's hot, humid climate and seasonal storms can cause window seals to degrade over time. Inspecting and sealing your windows helps prevent drafts and moisture infiltration, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Check for drafts. On a windy day, run your hand around the edges of the window frame to feel for air leaks. If you notice drafts, apply weather stripping or caulk to seal gaps. Replace damaged seals. If you spot worn or cracked seals around the window, replace them promptly. Proper sealing not only keeps your home insulated but also prevents water damage from rain. Maintain the moving parts. The sashes in double-hung windows are designed to slide up and down, making them easy to use and clean. However, regular maintenance of these moving parts is critical to ensure they operate smoothly. Lubricate tracks and locks. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the tracks and locks to keep them functional. Avoid oil-based products, as they can attract dust and grime. Tighten hardware. Over time, screws and other hardware can loosen. Periodically check and tighten them to maintain stability and security. Test the balance mechanisms. Double-hung windows use springs or other mechanisms to keep the sashes balanced. If a sash won't stay in place, it may need repair or adjustment. Protect against moisture damage. Orangeburg's humid conditions and occasional heavy rains can pose challenges for wooden window frames. Even vinyl or fiberglass frames can suffer if water is allowed to accumulate. Inspect for rot. For wooden frames, check for signs of rot or decay. Addressing these issues early can prevent further damage. Ensure proper drainage. Make sure the weep holes, small drainage openings, in your windows are clear of debris. These holes allow water to escape and prevent it from pooling around the frame. Apply protective coatings. For wooden windows, apply a fresh coat of paint or sealant every few years to protect against moisture and UV damage. Prepare for seasonal changes. Orangeburg experiences seasonal weather shifts that can impact your windows. Preparing your windows for these changes ensures they remain in top condition year-round. Spring and summer. Clean and inspect your windows for damage caused by winter weather. Replace worn seals and lubricate moving parts. Fall and winter. Check for drafts and seal any gaps to keep cold air out and reduce heating costs. Remove screens to prevent snow or ice buildup, if applicable. Keep an eye on energy efficiency. Double-hung windows play a significant role in maintaining your home's energy efficiency. In Orangeburg's climate, where air conditioning is often a necessity, ensuring your windows are up to the task can save you money. Upgrade glass if necessary. If your windows are older and lack modern energy-efficient features, consider upgrading to double or triple pane glass with low-E coatings. Monitor for condensation. Condensation between panes indicates a failed seal. If this occurs, it may be time to repair or replace the window. Call professionals when needed. While regular maintenance can address most issues, some repairs or adjustments require professional expertise. If you notice significant drafts, broken mechanisms, or persistent moisture problems, contact a local window specialist in Orangeburg. Conclusion. Maintaining your double-hung windows in Orangeburg's climate doesn't have to be a daunting task. With regular cleaning, sealing, and attention to detail, you can keep your windows functioning efficiently and looking great for years to come. Proper care not only enhances the comfort of your home but also protects your investment, ensuring your windows continue to perform well in Orangeburg's unique weather conditions. By staying proactive, you'll enjoy all the benefits that double-hung windows offer while keeping your home energy efficient, beautiful, and secure.